Hello everyone and welcome back to ITT OLT MCQ series. There are a lot of videos pending, so without wasting our time, let's start. In today's video, we are going to cover the third chapter MS Word, and the questions are going to be from question number 11 to 20. So let's start. Question number 11. A dash is also known as an outdent in Word. Answer is A. Negative indent. Question 12. Which of the following is the name of a template in Word? Answer is C. Newsletter. Question 13. If we select Auto in fixed column width option in AutoFit behavior in Insert Table dialog box in Word 2007 dash. Answer is A. Evenly distribute the columns to fit the page. Question 14. Illustrations group in the Insert tab in Word does not contain dash option. Answer is D. Clipboard. Question 15. With dash in MS Word, we can show all sorts of relationships using diagram. Answer is C. Smart Art. Do like, share and subscribe for more of such videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Thank you. Question 16. A dash in MS Word identifies a location or a selection of text we name and identify for further reference. The answer is B. Bookmark. Question 17. When a bookmark is added to a block of text in a Word document, what surrounds the text with dash? Answer is C. Square brackets. Question 18. Quick Parts option is in dash group of Word 2007 insert ribbon. Answer is D. Text. Question 19. Dash option of Word 2007 allows the user to add Question 19. Dash option of 2007 allows the user to add preformatted portions of text. The answer is A. Quick Parts. The answer is A. Quick Parts. Question 20. In Word, Table of Contents dialog box shows dash. Answer is A. Both A and B. Do like, share and subscribe for more of such videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Thank you.